let's just rewind a bit. So let's just take it from the top. I'm just gonna show you a quick recap and then we can take it slow. So it's lean, switch, 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 and here, here, here. Now get ready for new move and new move and. Alright, let's try to do it a bit slower. So 5, 6, lean, remember hit right. 5, 6, 7, 8, lean, switch, switch, switch. Now turn lean and switch, switch, switch. Throw them down, get ready to say jump right, right, left, right, the opposite, left, right, left. Let's just try that again. So lean, hit right. 5, 6, 7, 8, lean, hit, switch, switch, hold, lean, hit, hit, hit. Drop them down, get ready to jump right, right, left, right, now left, left, right, left. Alright, let's try one last time. So remember, lean, hit right. 5, 6, 7, 8, lean, hit right, switch, 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 hold, turn, and lean, switch, 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 drop them down, get ready to say jump right, left, right, and left, right, left. Alright guys, moving on to the last part. The footwork, super simple, she's just standing still, so that's easy. Maybe do a bit of bounce. But the arms here is the important part. Wait, let me see. So we just did wah, 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 jump and jump, jump and jump. Now we're kind of leaning here, facing the left corner here. And we want to say, lift up your right arm, doing this pistol, this left arm, and then you want to say, straighten out your arms, and then you want to bring them back in. Whoop, getting ready to do the first move. So from here, we're back to boxing. We want to say, here, the right is say, turn, and then we can do the loop. Yeah, so let's just go a bit back. We just said jump and jump, jump and jump. Now from here, we want to bring up right, now left, now straighten, and then you want to bring it back in, getting ready to box here. You want to say whoop, right, turn around, lean, step, and etc. Yeah, so let's just do the transition. So we want to say right and left, left and right, right arm, left arm, getting ready to shoot. You want to bring it back in, getting ready to box. You say right out, turn, lean, hold it, and then you switch once you step down. And so on. So let's do the transition. So we were gonna say jump right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8, jump right, left, right, opposite, left, right, left. Now right arm goes up, left arm goes up, straighten, shoot, back in, get ready to box, say right, turn, lean, and then switch once you step, boom, boom, etc. Yeah, so let's do one last time. We're gonna do jump and jump, jump and jump, right, left, shoot, back, box, boom, boom. So from jump, 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 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, right, left, right, left. Now, right arm, hold out, get back, box, right, lean, whoop, and whoop. Alright guys, let me just show you the whole thing, and then we're gonna practice the whole thing together. Okay, so it's wah, ta, 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 step and step, getting ready to jump and jump, jump and jump, say right, left, out, get ready to box, lean, whoop, 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 and so on. Alright, let's do that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go lean, hit, switch, and switch, lean, hold, whoop, switch, and switch. Get ready to jump and say here, and right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg. From here, we want to say right arm, left arm, out, back. Get ready to box. We say right, and continue. Yeah, let's try that again. From the tip top, we're gonna say lean, hit right. 5, 6, 7, 8, lean, hit, switch, 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 hold, and lean. Say switch, switch, switch. Drop the arms down, get ready to jump on right, and left, opposite, left, and left. We want to say right arm, left arm, out, back, get ready to box, right arm, says boom, lean, and so on. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial on how to do the laser blast dance from the game Fortnite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.